kind of like the same thing, but in this case, you would have been using a cheat sheet. And the ultimate goal is to have something that looks like this. So we're going to create this one real quick. I am going to keep this open over here. Oopsies. And we're going to try. I'm going to keep this open on another screen. Just take a look. This is what we're going to end up with. I'm going to use a different picture, but I'm going to recreate this. So that's the challenge here. Take this image, either have it here as another tab while you work over here, but I'm going to put it on my second screen. I think it's going to cause an issue, actually. There's a bug that as soon as you work on the second screen, this little cursor glitch comes up, but we can't avoid that for the moment. But I'll remember not to use the second screen during video lessons later. Let's create this, okay? So one more time, this is the ultimate goal. And we're going to create this using our tags. If you have a cheat sheet, you can use it if you want to open up another new tab and go through all the slides again. But I would recommend doing it by memory. And that way, you'll know that you have, learned something in this class, for starters. So let's do this. Now, looks like there's a H1 on the top one. So I'm going to, oh, this cursor is going to kill me. Oh well, so here we go. An H1, H1. Looking better already. It looks like this is a smaller heading, so let's go H4. H4. This one just has a couple I tags. You don't have to do it perfectly as long as you do a little bit of it. We can do this pretty quickly. Similar to the previous one. And looks like down here is a link tag. Remember, if you're lost, I'm pretty much recreating everything that's on this page. So if you click it, you'll see a fully built web page with all of our tags. And all I want you to do is recreate it from memory or use the cheat sheet. Looks like we're creating a link. So I'm going to do this the professional way. Just right away, put that there. Then close it. Again, it's up to you how you do that. The link is going to be https www.google.com. So we're done there. Then a horizontal line. Good, good, good. Followed by a strong tag. We're looking pretty good. We're getting there. And then here I have the bare bones of an image. I went and grabbed an image like we taught you before. The image is the isolated image. Remember, it's got to look like this. So I'm going to take this value and put it here. And I'm going to set the, see, it looks pretty small. Remember, this one looks small. So we're going to bring the width down to 200 px and the height down to 200 px. Well, that's not going to make a difference. And we have an error here, which I did see in class someone committed. The problem here is that because we're kind of working on these tags, we're leaving a lot of stuff unmarked up, which is confusing. So the only thing I want you to add here that's different is that I want you to have a clear distinction between this area, and this area. And one way to do that is to classify this one and this one as their own paragraphs. And then the image tag will nicely fit in right in the middle. I'll show you. If you add a p tag here, now this paragraph has room to work. And this one now is getting interrupted by the image tag. So if you add one here, now the computer knows where to situate everything. Situates the paragraph here, followed by the image tag, end, and then the paragraph tag down here. And the last thing we got to do is this unordered list. So how do we do an unordered list? It's going to be UL. Wrap all three of these inside that UL. And then right here, we're going to add some LIs. my style is not perfect here, but it really doesn't matter for now. Actually, let's bring these at least so they're uniform. And that's it. We have recreated this page. See here, we got heading, smaller heading, lorem, links, strong, image, paragraph separation, and our lists. Great. So if you completed that, feel free to move on to the next lesson. Well, the next part of this lesson, we're actually going to wrap up with the resources here. So that's it for the HTML section of this course. We're going to be using HTML a lot, lots of refreshers, but just make sure you get the syntax down and you'll be good to go.